Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdurrahman. Today we are making a tutorial on how to install WordPress theme. So first of all, you have to log in your WP admin in WordPress. Then what you have to do, you have to go to Appearance, then go to Theme, click on Add New, and upload theme. Choose the particular file. So I'm going to choose my file, and click on install now. It will take a little time. Our theme is installed. Click on activate, and thank you for choosing typology. Get started. Now go to plugins. Go to plugins and install all these plugins related to your themes which you think it will be useful for your theme. Activate. So let me check the preview of my theme. Yes, theme is installed. That's it, guys. That is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.